In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Chat password. Before we begin, it's important to know that Google Chat does not have its own separate password. Since it's connected to your Google account, changing your Google account password will also update the password you use for Google Chat and other Google services. To get started, open your browser and go to your Google account settings page. This is where you manage your account details, privacy options, and sign-in settings. If you're not already signed in, Google may ask you to log in first so you can continue securely. Once you're in your Google account area, look to the left-hand side of the page and click on Security and Sign In. This section contains all the settings related to protecting your account, including your password, verification methods, and recent security activity. If you're ever unsure where password settings are located, this is usually the right place to check. Next, find and click on Password. Google may ask you to verify your identity again before allowing you to continue. This extra verification step helps keep your account secure, especially if someone else has access to your device. After that, click into the New Password field and enter the password you want to use. Try to choose a strong password that is difficult to guess. A good password is usually longer and includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, avoid reusing passwords from other websites, since that can make your account more vulnerable. Then click into the Confirm New Password field and type the same password again. This step helps make sure there are no typing mistakes. Take a moment to double-check both entries, because even a small difference like an extra character or capital letter will prevent the change from going through. Once both password fields are filled in correctly, click on Change Password. Google will then save your new password and apply it to your account. After the password has been updated, remember that you may need to sign in again on your phone, computer, or any apps where your Google account is already connected, including Google Chat. If you use a password manager, this is also a good time to update your saved login details so you don't run into sign-in issues later. And that's it. You've successfully changed the password for the Google account linked to Google Chat.